camera pedal right here, so you get the pedal with the camera on it. That's how you move the camera. So to move the camera, you're going to press down on that and move your hands around. When you take your foot off the camera pedal, your instruments become alive. Does that make sense? So right now you're going to have a right and a left hand. When you're moving those around, that's how you move your right and left hand. So you guys look on that screen real quick. Look at that screen. And watch how you do this. You want to put your fingers in here first. Right? And push that all through. Put your fingers in your hand. What kind of screen? Do I move my hand? You guys see that? Move my right and left hand. So to move my right and left hand, I need to move my right and left hand over a lot. Over there, let's go down. Here. Stretch it out. That makes sense? Move your right and left hand. If you want to move the camera, you press down on the camera pedal. I feel my hands freeze. My hands are not moving. The camera is moving.
Tom.
You push the image away from you, or you push it closer to you, with your foot not on the camera.
So the camera like
Yes. Yeah. So if you move the camera, you can move it right, left, up, down, in, out. The second you take your foot off the camera pedal, your instruments come back alive. You get a feel for how this goes in a second. I'll drop this and so on. The key is you put your fingers in the white straps first. Get your fingers and move your hands at the same time, but your head's got to be in there, yeah. Okay. You got it. You have it with your right hand? Pinch your fingers and move your right hand. Yeah, you got it. Good, nice job. Okay. So you can see the movement is very smooth. The interface is pretty awesome. Cool.
Is there like microphones out there?
Yeah.
Oh. So you guys can, okay.
You're breaking it.
No, Javin, you killed someone.
Yeah, there's like a...
So take a $10 bill, flip it around to the back of it.
Oh no, Javin. It's still usable.
You're doing great. Just stop it, flip it around.
Wow,
Zoom in.
that's good.
Javin is destructive.
You got somebody sit here and watch. You notice when you look through here, it's 3D. If you're looking at the monitor right here, you can't see the surgery.
Okay.
Javin is not logged in.
I'm logged in.
No, no.
Oh, sorry, Schwab, can you see?
Alright.
Alright, knock the bill over, Javin. Oh, you said
Someone else try. Hey, Larry. Put these fingers like this way.
Here's how you do it.
Then look in, and then pinch down.
When you're done, we're going to pass the instruments to you. You go ahead and play around on it right now. So pinch your fingers and move your hand, yeah. Yeah, nice job. Awesome work. Now you're done. We're going to pass the instruments to you.
Hey, Tom. Hey, Javin, what time is it?
Like 9:13. Oh, excuse me.
So that brake thing puts that panel down that your feet are on. The brake comes up so you can move it.
Oh.
So when you're wanting to do surgery and not move it, you push the brake down.
Like to
lock it in
make
place.
it not move.
You'll be up in 2 seconds. He's gonna pass it. He'll pass the stuff to himself.
You make it.
Hey, what's up, dude? Nice job. You're doing awesome.
This is
Not really.
You know, I'm not gonna touch that. You know, right
Wait, this feels so weird. Wait, I know. Yo.
I do not trust Tom with this.
Oh, well, I'm gonna have to carry it now. Yeah, that's right.
There's a lot of the.
It's just me.
Huh?
It's just me. It's just me.
Yeah, I've been locked.
Are you okay over there?
No, they locked.
Interesting. Why don't you take your head out and lock? To safety first.
I see.
Is that how you have it? Yeah.
Yo,
Nice job. You're doing awesome. You're doing awesome.
all right, the left one's not moving.
This place.
Alright, can I test the camera? Can I test the camera real quick?
What do you think?
Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah, we should definitely use this in our practice match somehow.
Wait, what?
I don't know how.
What do you think? How was it?
Well, it's good, but like I highly suggest I'll pay the money, get a machine, we put a camera on the robot, and we're doing VR stuff. Like Larry can just grab better, bro.
Cool.
Yeah.
Garrett, are you gonna try it? Are you gonna try and do it?
Who's in there right now?
Tom being.
Got an idea. Come here. So how about buy a machine? So it's like a VR stuff. And something like this. Can touch it. And Larry use that. Go grab.
But like, would the camera be on the claw, or would it be like?
He just can't see the claw, and he use the arm to control the claw. We not use controllers.
Do you hate his leg?
Oh, like this?
He's just doing like, I grab it. And I'll be like, oh.
First of all, how the heck do we integrate VR into Rev software?
Figure it out. Alright, I'm calling it. Oh, wait, you haven't got it yet. You got it, Sean. Might be cooked.
Let's get a coin toss.
That's what I was trying to say. Okay. You got it. All right. I'm calling it. It's tails. No.
Swan is going to town in there. This is
Schwang is.
Yes.
Feel the tension.
Only to switch a part over. Holding rubber band.
level and out exits.
If you would have pulled the rubber band right now with this,
Like when they like
now, I wish if you use it so I can show you, he needs to use that curve. Pull the rubber band, you would have to feel it.
Small, which is where we're trying to go. Something safe.
But can I ask for orbit?
Cost effective. So simply, that's why you see, I mean, it's plastic cables.
Is that hard to run?
No. I mean, it's really sensitive.
Yeah, they go.
Chavin is freaking game in this.
So this
I'm just like,
red.
yo.
Chavin.
Oh, I'm retreating.
Chavin, you're going too fast.
Wait, let me orient. Okay,
Chavin.
hold on. Wait.
Little discs.
Go up.
Nah, bro, you could.